Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification whenever I upload a new video. So in the Diwali series, the next eye makeup or the fourth makeup look is the pink halo eye makeup look, perfect for this festive season because Indian clothes is full of colors, so pink is a must, right? So here is the look and let's get started, and if you're interested, please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium beige. You know the drill, it's the same concealer that I use as a base for all my eye makeup looks. I'm going to blend it well and then set it with Colourpop's no filter setting powder in translucent. I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Electric Obsession palette. You can use any palette or any color of your choice. So I'm using this beautiful fuchsia pink and I'm going to carve out my outer corner first. So I'm creating a V and I'm going to dab the product through and pull it inward. Here I'm applying the same shade onto my inner corner like this. I'm dabbing the product and building up the product so that I get the right color consistency. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to join the inner and the outer corner like this. And I'm going to blend it well. So dab the product, add some extra product and blend it so there are no harsh edges. Now as a crease color, I'm going to use Ooh La La's palette by Colourpop. I'm going to use that shade Poodle and I'm going to run it through my crease area so that there are no harsh edges and it looks well blended. Here I'm going to use the same pink shade from Huda Beauty's Electric Obsession palette and I'm blending out that edges so that they are well defined. And I'm going to use the shade Tickled. It's a beautiful metallic shade, glitter metallic you can call it. I have used some setting spray on my brush and I'm applying it in the middle part of my lid like so, and I'm blending that with the pink shade so there are no harsh edges and it's well blended. Now I'm going to use Sugar's brow definer in the shade Cherry Brown and I'm going to do the drill. You know, it's the same thing. I'm just going to define my brows, just fill in the sparse areas with smaller strokes, and then I'm going to brush it through so that it looks natural. So next I'm going to use this Inglot Gel Liner in number 77. I'm going to create a small wing. So this is the best blackest gel liner, guys, so you need to have this in your life. Now I'm going to cover my under eye dark circles with LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and I'm going to blend it with Nykaa's blender, and then I'm going to use another concealer, Maybelline's Age Rewind in Light, and I'm going to blend it well once again and then apply a translucent powder to set that all in place. So now I'm going to use the same dark pink shade or the fuchsia pink shade and I'm going to create the same halo like look onto my lower lash line like this. I'm going to smoke it out well, and in between I'm going to add that glitter shade from Colourpop's Ooh La La. Guys, be careful, there's going to be a lot of fallout out of this. Now I'm going to use Gigi Hadid's Maybelline liner onto my upper waterline and then Wet n Wild's Kohl in Calling You Buff on my low waterline. Now I'm going to use Colourpop's Glittery Obsessed in Wish Me Luck and I'm going to apply in the center of my lids like this so that it's going to be a little glittery and shimmery, and same onto my inner corner. Now for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use the Balm Cosmetics Mary Luminizer and I'm applying it on my brow bone area obviously, and I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a good coat of Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara. Go ahead and add falsies if you would like to and apply a good coat of mascara. I'm a clumsy person when it comes to adding mascara, see, especially when I'm doing YouTube videos. I don't know, I mess it more. So guys, presenting to you look number 4 for this Diwali or the festive season, pink halo eye makeup look. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. And if you're interested in the other 3 makeup looks, go ahead and watch my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. Guys, I wish you all a very happy and a prosperous Diwali. Guys, take care and enjoy your Diwali and we'll meet you next time. Bye.